Hi, my name is Christina Lee Kim. I'm an associate professor and currently serving as one of the associate deans here at the Rosemead School of Psychology at Biola University. And what I'm going to be talking about in my plenary are relational ruptures, but the ones that aren't marked necessarily by external conflict, actually the ones that stay a little bit hidden inside of us. They're relational ruptures with one another or with God. And they usually lead to things like disengagement, disconnection, a quiet quitting. I think sometimes our Asian culture, our Christian culture can intersect and foster an environment where we might conceal our pain or hurt or maybe shy away from or avoid honest confrontation. And so what I'm hoping to do in this plenary is to give a little bit of insight into how these ruptures might form, why they stay unacknowledged, and how, if they're not dealt with, they can actually really affect our spiritual vitality and a sense of community and belonging in the church. And so I'm hoping to give some insight into that and also offer a hopeful vision for how our church communities can actually be places of healing and connection and repair, that we don't have to keep moving forward with these hidden ruptures inside of us. And so I hope you will register for the conference and join us in this shared conversation on faith and mental health and spiritual formation. And I really look forward to seeing you there.